Take 3, take 2 sucked.
Ladies and gentlemen, Poeticon music is a celebration of rap and popular culture.
Break it up.
Yo, I break it up and spit it like tobacco in right fields. I'm acting like a savage and exploding like...
Just tell them who you are already.
I am the man who would be host, the geek that your mama's warned you about.
Get him.
The best dressed MC of 2019.
That's a stretch.
2-time Office Chili Cook-Off winner.
Totally unrelated.
I am your songwriting, puppet wrangling MC host with the most. All of this. Now, every good song has a great story.
Lyrics are essentially just patterns within patterns repeating.
Emotion, imagery, and storytelling.
Thinking faster than brain matter can spark a thought. Plan a suggestion, inception before the script was bought.
You don't need an expensive studio or a record contract to make music that you are proud of. A great song is one that people will play for generations. Every month we create a brand new song from start to finish and give you a behind-the-scenes look, because it's not all about fighting puppets and talking robots. I started Poeticon music not knowing where it would take me. It's been a journey.
Now everybody has stress, troubles and trials, tribulations. Mine is so tight it provides a foundation. Keep myself out of the ground and stay patient. That is not a skill that I mastered.
Can't have you sneaking away to some other hip-hop tutorial show with cooler puppets and a host with more tattoos on his face. Music and film have been a passion of mine for as long as I can remember. When it comes to making great music, surround yourself with talented, positive artists and just go with the flow. You might just learn a thing or two.
And I remember yesterday as if it was way back. Wheels keep turning like the fortune of Sajak. Homie, don't play that. Corny but hey, Matt, how about we make that record to play back and say that we're friends? The dividends that we are given are a troublesome end. Let's make amends.
It seems like every month I have to learn something different just to get by. And I'm just a guy who likes to make music. If you are a lyricist, an MC, a rapper, a poet,
you can find the time to still be creative and to be inspired. You're bound to come up with a good idea eventually, so why don't you just keep on trying?
Today is recording day. Friggin' bananas. The first hook needs to reel them in. Every single part of this song speaks. I couldn't help but have fun with this one.
A show about a nerd talking to toys and puppets?
Who'd be bored enough to watch a show like that? You want to subscribe?
No.
I'll be back.